I'm a lit kid, B.
Okay, so I did a little prep before I started recording, and basically you need to take your chocolate bars that you chopped up and your butter and microwave it in 20-second increments, stirring in between each time until it's melted and combined. So that's what you see in the bowl here. All right, so you're going to add your brown sugar and your white or cane sugar to the melted chocolate and butter mixture and just mix until that's thoroughly combined. Once that's done, you're going to add your eggs, one egg at a time, and you're going to make sure that you're stirring and combining it well between each egg. And then with the third egg, you're just going to mix it until everything is combined. You don't see any more yolks or anything like that. Then you're going to add your vanilla, your cocoa powder, and your all-purpose flour, making sure you get all of that out. And you're going to add your kosher salt. Once all of those in, again, you're going to mix it all up until it is just combined. So you don't want to overmix it. I've read that if you overmix your brownie batter, it will not be fudgy. It'll be more of a cake-like brownie. So if that's what you're looking for, then mix to your heart's desire. But I do really like a fudgy brownie. And then finally, once that's combined, you're going to add your chocolate chunks or chocolate chips and just fold those in until they're distributed throughout the batter. And then I didn't have enough chunks, but it'll look like this. I put it in a pan lined with parchment, so you can't see it here, but I did oil and then put parchment paper along the bottom of the pan just to make sure that my brownies won't stick. Then you're gonna pop them in your oven, which should be preheated at 350 degrees, and you'll cook them for between 30 and 35 minutes. And they're done when you can insert a toothpick or a fork, and there are only a few wet crumbs that come off. After you take your brownies out and let them cool completely, you'll be able to cut into them and get your final result. So yeah, they turned out great. They were really fudgy, not too sweet, really moist, as you can see. And it was my first time making them from scratch, so I'm just really happy with how they turned out. Until next time.